Today we will learn how to speed ramp in Premiere Pro. To get started, I added a video clip to my timeline. Expanding video track so we can see the line on video clip. Next, right-click on video clip. Then select Show Clip Keyframes. Then Time Remapping. And then Speed. Then select Pen tool. And set time marker from where you would like to start speed ramp. And click on line. This will create a speed marker at that point. Then drag the line after the speed marker up or down to set the speed. Upward for increase the speed. And downward for decrease the speed. I am going to drag it downward direction to decrease the speed. So now create a ramp. Let's drag the second half of a speed marker to the right. How far you drag the marker is going to control how quickly your speed ramps. Dragging starting half of video to the upward direction to increase a speed. To smooth out the ramp with the help of this handles. Create a curve so it will smooth out your ramp. Adding ramp speed marker again here. This time I want to speed up it. So dragging this line upward direction. Dragging the second half of a speed marker to the right to make curve. So it will smooth out our speed ramp. Thanks for watching.